girl Kia Love. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be telling you what my favorite vegan yogurt is. Just to let you know, I'm not affiliated with this brand in any way. I'm not getting a check, I'm not getting any coins, I don't know anybody that works for the company, anything like that. The reason why I'm putting this out there is because I wasted so much money trying to try yogurt alternatives. So I'm just trying to help you out there so you can save some money and stop your search. Okay, so I think you're gonna like it. I really love this brand. It's delicious. I've actually only tried one flavor, and that's the flavor that I stick with. I just love it. It's so good. So not only that, I'm gonna show you 3 different ways that you can top your yogurt in case you wanna add something else to it to just jazz it up a bit. So, but before I get to that, really quick, in case you're wondering what hair extensions I'm rocking, I have in the Kabani Virgin Hair, Brazilian Silky Straight. Y'all, I've been rocking hair extensions for about 15 years. This is absolutely one of my favorite brands. This hair in particular, I've had in my head for a little over a year and a half, and it's still fresh, beautiful, soft, flowy, whatever. But that's not what you're here for. I'll put the information down below. Let's get to this yogurt. So, the best vegan yogurt, drum roll, please. Forager, organic cashew milk yogurt. Vanilla bean is what I get. Vanilla bean is the only flavor that I eat. I am not one of those that need all of those different flavors. I pretty much stick with vanilla bean. Everything else, I can just jazz it up myself. Y'all, this yogurt is so good. It's thick, but not too thick, and it's creamy, and it's smooth, and it just has the perfect vanilla balance. Like, it tastes so natural, and it's so delicious, y'all. I would totally recommend it. But so this is it. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet for you because we're gonna get to the good stuff. Just to let you know, this yogurt is not sold in any of the stores in my city, so I actually have to drive an hour away just to get it. So just a heads up, it's really good. I was never a yogurt fan prior to living a plant-based lifestyle. I didn't even like yogurt, but for some reason, I just really love the vegan alternative yogurts. It's actually one of my favorite snacks to eat. Something light when I'm hungry or don't want too much, or I want a light breakfast, light dessert, and things like that. It's good, y'all. Y'all try it out. You won't be disappointed. You won't be disappointed. But let's get to 3 different ways that you can top this yogurt. All right, y'all, let's get started on our first topping. So just FYI, you can eat this yogurt as is. It's delicious as is. However, I just like to add a little bit of jazz and texture to it. And as far as the consistency, it's a little more runny than it typically is. And that's because my refrigerator is currently broken. So as you can see, it's a little more runny. It's been sitting out for about an hour at this point. So just FYI. But let's get to these toppings. So we're going to grab some fresh strawberries. I usually add mango to this bowl as well, but I didn't have any, so no mango today. But we are going to follow it up with some fresh slices of kiwi. Sprinkle on a little hemp seed. Some crunchy granola. And my favorite part, some cacao nibs. And then we're going to top it off with some more fresh fruit. And there's our first bowl. On to our second bowl. So we're going to start off with some fresh raspberries. Followed by some fresh blackberries. Then we're going to sprinkle on some good old chia seeds. Sprinkle some coconut flakes. And then we're going to top it off with more fresh fruit. And last, but certainly not least, we're going to drizzle on some good old honey or agave, depending on your preference, to add a little bit of sweetness. And voila, there we have it. So for this last bowl, we are going to grab some fresh mandarin slices. If you don't have a mandarin, no worries. You can grab whatever type of orange that you have. And then we're going to add some crushed pistachios and some delicious cacao nibs. And then we're going to grab some more orange slices. And now my favorite part, we're going to drizzle on some sweet tahini sauce that I sweetened with a little bit of agave and cinnamon. Y'all, this sauce is so good. You do not want to miss it. And to get to the consistency that you prefer, just add a little bit of water. And then, of course, I have to add more cacao nibs. Followed by some coconut flakes. And some crunchy pistachios. And voila, our final yogurt bowl. Hey y'all, it's the following morning. I'm about to eat my breakfast, but really quick, I just wanted to show you the true texture of the yogurt. Like I said yesterday when I was filming the video, my refrigerator is out. So anyways, the yogurt was a little more runny, like I said in the video, than usual. So I just want to take the time to show you its true texture now that I've been able to take it freshly out the refrigerator and get here. So this is after about 15 minutes out of the refrigerator. Just wanted to show you the true texture of the yogurt. I'll push some of that to the side so you can see the actual yogurt. So this is what I wanted to show you, that it's still not super thick, but it's not as runny as it was yesterday. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you an update just in case you were turned off by the texture. Try this yogurt. It is so delicious. And until next time, peace and love. But that's not what you're here for. So let's get to this yogurt, okay? So the best vegan yogurt. Drum roll, please. Ooh. Drum roll, please.